Let's dive into this explainer and master recording customer payments in Zoho Books. It's a total game changer.
Customer swears they paid, but your invoice still screams unpaid? We've all been there, right?
The truth? Zoho Books is literally just waiting for you to manually log that transaction. It's exactly like a waiter marking your restaurant bill paid the second they grab your cash.
Doing this is absolutely crucial. It tracks collections, slashes outstanding balances, and keeps your cash flow crystal clear.
Thankfully, fixing this is a breeze. It boils down to a super simple 5-step procedure.
Step 1, jump into sales, hit payments received, and click new to get the ball rolling.
Step 2 is a piece of cake. Just search and select the customer who actually paid you. Pick ABC Traders, for instance. Boom, Zoho automatically pulls up all their pending invoices right there. For step 3, just point and click. Tell the software exactly which invoice they're paying off. Like invoice INV-0001 right here, you're just anchoring that fresh payment to a real existing record. Because real money is on the line here. Say a full payment of 11,800 rupees. Step 4, log the details. Punch in the date, mode, reference number, and the exact amount received. For example, maybe they used UPI for the whole 11,800. Just type that in. Finally, step 5, just hit save. That locks the whole payment in securely. You're almost done.
And just like that, you get to witness that incredibly satisfying flip from unpaid to paid.
Your ledger now flaunts a glorious 0 outstanding balance. That invoice officially and successfully closed out. So here's my final question for you. Are your own ledgers actually reflecting your